The Sci-Fi Promise is here. Hey guys, what's going on today? We're talking about 3D printing. I'm going to show you how to set up a 3D printer, like software-wise, or what software you use to print, and how to design a model, and then I'm going to give you a couple of shots of what's up by my 3D printer, or what it looks like when it's mid-print. So let's get started.
Okay, so we are on Tinkercad right now, and this is just a print I'm working on. So this is pretty much how simple Tinkercad is. Just drag and drop. You can resize parts, just click on them, and you can move them. Well, I can make them giant, that'd be horrible, but that'd be a lot of filament. You can just pretty much go up, go down. The size is really versatile program, and you know what? It's free. Yep, $0. And make it some pretty detailed things. I have personally made a Death Star from Star Wars, but this one is a knob for a heater that broke off, so I just 3D printed a new one. Problem solved. So how do you actually 3D print one of these? So all you have to do is go to export and make sure you do everything in this design. I don't know why they have the feature. Then I use STL personally, and just come up in downloads. Then you have to open slicing software. I use Repetier Haas, and this is pretty much it. Well, we gotta just do this, and then just drag and drop, and then go to slicer and slice. I'll just go to full screen for this now. Now my preview window does not work, but it's nice if you have a powerful computer. But here you go. And now you can just click print, but I'm not going to waste more filament. And that's pretty much it. That's a journey from a design to a physical model. Now for some video printer printing. Don't forget, you can like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.